Ladies, listen to this. Did you know, according to medical experts, 30 to 50% of women suffer with sexual problems? Sadly, a lot of women just learn to tolerate less than optimal sexual activity instead of talking about it with her doctor. Well, not anymore. Dr. Jennessa Iannitelli is here from Enhanced Image Med Spa, and that 30 to 50%, that is a lot of women who are just saying, you know what, I'll deal with it.
And you know what? Actually, the number is probably a lot higher than that, because that number only accounts for women that have psychological sexual dysfunction. So if you have dryness, if you have problems with arousal, if you have painful intercourse, you're not even included in that number.
Wow, so it probably is significantly higher. What about men?
So men, actually, the statistics are equally as staggering. 50% of men in their 50s and 60% of men in their 60s actually have some type of erectile dysfunction.
Well, I love what you're doing over there at Enhanced, because you guys are helping men and women simultaneously. I want to start with men. You offer something called the P shot. What is that?
So in the past, we've had a really small kind of toolbox for men. We've had drugs like Cialis and Viagra, or injections like Trimix. That's a bummer. Every time you want an erection, you have to have an injection, or penile prosthesis. This treatment actually goes in, and it's the first one that fixes the problem. It's a PRP-based treatment called the P-shot, or the Priapus shot. And I was lucky enough to be trained by Dr. Runnels. He's the inventor of it in Alabama. And what that is actually a component of our blood. And we've been using it in orthopedics for decades. People just aren't familiar with it. We've been getting athletes back out on the field, and now it's come into the anti-aging and regenerative medicine category. So we're using it for sexual health.
So what kind of conditions are men typically suffering with?
So it works for erectile dysfunction. It also gives you a 10 to 20% increase in size. It's going to increase sensitivity, and it's going to give you a stronger erection, a better erection. And we also treat Peyronie's disease, which is a scarring condition of the penis. And that can actually get so bad that anatomically men can't have sex.
Wow. So, and it's just one treatment then?
Just one treatment. The duration lasts a little bit different for everyone. Some people need them yearly, and sometimes it's a one-shot deal.
Wow. Okay, so let's transition into women now, because you offer the O shot as well, which is for the ladies.
Right. So O shot's the orgasm shot. Works the same way. You come into the office, we draw your blood. That's the PRP component that we're keeping, the plasma-rich platelets. It's your own healing sauce, basically. Growth factors, collagen recruitment factors, blood vessel recruitment factors. And for women, it's going to do the same thing, except for if you have incontinence, because of where we're placing the injections, it's going to help with that too. So dryness, painful intercourse.
I want to put up a graphic, because I want you to see it and kind of explain that through the graphic. So the injection, go back to where the injection is and the symptoms.
So when we do the injection in females, we're actually going to inject the clitoris, which, don't get scared, ladies. We do a clitoral block, we do numbing, and we do ice, and we do numbing for men as well, so very minimally painful. And then we also inject the anterior vaginal wall, and because of the proximity of the urethra, you get that extra added benefit of helping either minimize or completely get rid of urinary incontinence.
Wow.
So you're getting kind of a twofer.
It's a lot of symptoms. Do you have men and women who come in as couples and do this together?
Absolutely. We have P and O shot parties, so a lot of offices are kind of, afraid to talk about this subject, but we love it because we love enhancing people's quality of lives. We love enhancing their relationships and really making everything awesome.
Well, let's have the party then. Let's give you a special offer so you can get your groove back as well. The first 10 callers, you are going to get $300 off of the O shot and $500 off the P shot. Enhanced Image Med Spa. They are located at 7942 West Bell Road, Suite number 2. That is in Glendale. Call 480-845-4121 to book an appointment, or visit their website, enhancedimagemedspa.com.